slime toys. So we're going to put this in there and then close it up and let's see what it is. We're going to open it and put it in here and get some more slime and put it right there. And we're going to close that like that. And we're going to put some slime right there so he can cover his tail today. And we're going to let's open this toy. And we're going to open it and see what it is. What? And now let's see what it is. And we're going to take some slime. And today we're going to open it. And it's a toy. What is it? What do you think it's going to be? Just get all these slime, and we're going to see what it is. Oh, it's Mr. Dinosaur. Now let's do some more.